My name's Allie. I'm a junior, so this is my third year at MIT. I'm studying chemical engineering with a concentration and a minor in energy. So I'm really excited. I got involved with MITEI and Energy Club and all that really early on my freshman year, and I've been in it ever since and love it. So I obviously love technology and science and engineering, but I really care and want to do more about the people aspect, and I think Solar Spring Break was the most incredible combination of those, because I did think it was just like cool installing solar panels, and there was this aspect of being able to install them in low-income communities, but that experience with working with the actual people we were installing for and the people we were installing with was so eye-opening and so incredible. And the man whose house we installed the solar panels on was just clearly so thankful for it, and we learned all about how much this could actually help, not just help the environment obviously, but help these people, because it completely cuts down their electricity bills. To me, it didn't feel like even volunteering. It was an incredible Learning experience and a great experience, and it's actually, to me, I think it really kind of changed how I see my future career, in that I've always loved energy. I get so excited about renewable energy and all that, but to me, I really want to help people also, and grid alternatives is like just an inspiring, incredible intersection of the two, and I think it's so important that MIT students see that intersection. It was a lot about the experience. It wasn't just like, okay, we have this job and like we're gonna get it done. They really wanted us to really learn and get to do it all ourselves, so that we had the real experience of actually volunteering and actually doing the full install ourselves. Because essentially what it comes down to is we're engineering for a better world, really. I know that sounds really broad, but I think that's truly kind of what we're here to do, and opportunities like Solar Spring Break really provide the chance for us to get out there and see the difference we can make ourselves with our own hands and our own minds.